Hello, YouTube family. Welcome back to the channel. This is ALFATIR CRAWFORD with Finance Up. I hope everyone is doing well. Thank you for the continued support. So if you did not already know, I provide housing for veterans. That may be in private settings like mobile homes or single family homes, as well as shared housing. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys some resources and organizations that assist veterans in their housing. Now, this is a win-win for both you, the landlord, and the veteran, the tenant. So again, in this video, I'm going to give you some great resources that will assist both you and the veteran in your veteran housing business. So again, this is ALFATIR CRAWFORD with Finance Up. Please continue to support the channel. As always, thanks. And you know how we do here. Let's share the screen and let's go. We are back, YouTube family. So the first program I would like to share is called Volunteers of America. Volunteers of America in my area cover both North Carolina and Virginia. So check with your state, find your Volunteers of America. This organization assists veterans in their housing needs. So I learned about this organization through a veteran that I'm renting a mobile home to. As I mentioned in the intro, I offer both private and shared housing for veterans. This program will assist the veteran that is renting my mobile home with his first and last month's rent payment. So again, this is a great organization for assisting veterans in their housing needs. So you can go to the site, you can click on Services will bring you to Veteran Services, and we're going to read a portion of this paragraph which says services offered include temporary housing, temporary financial assistance for rent and utility deposits, individualized case management, housing location assistance and stabilization, and job placement assistance. So again, this is the first program I want to share that provides assistance to veterans and their housing needs. Again, that is Volunteers of America. Find out which Volunteers of America you have in your state to assist a veteran that you may be renting to. So again, this is a win-win for both you, the landlord, and the veteran. Again, Volunteers of America. Program number 2, YouTube family, will be the HUD-VASH program. The HUD-VASH program is a collaborative program that pairs HUD's Housing Choice Voucher, the HCV rental assistance, with VA case management and supportive services. So the veteran will have to qualify for a HUD-VASH voucher by contacting the VA hospital HUD-VASH social worker. Now, it is important to know that if you have a veteran housing business, you can also contact the HUD-VASH social worker and ask for referrals for your veteran housing business. So again, this particular program is called the HUD-VASH program, and you can find more information about this program at va.gov. You can contact your HUD-VASH social worker at your local or closest VA hospital for referrals, and veterans can contact the HUD-VASH social worker for qualifying for a HUD-VASH voucher for housing assistance. Now, this voucher, kind of like a Section 8 type voucher, only for veterans, and it covers a big portion of the veterans' rent. So again, this program again is called the HUD-VASH program. Program number 3, YouTube family, would be USA Cares. This is another organization that can provide housing assistance to veterans. Who we are, what we do, programs for veterans, and we're going to go to military assistance response programs. And again, the program offers covered expenses in housing, utilities, transportation, and food assistance. Again, this program is helping veterans and military families stabilize, rebuild, and move forward with dignity. And they offer lots of support for veterans, and they do have assistance with housing and utilities. So again, this organization is called USA Cares Veteran and Family Support Systems. So again, this is program number 3, usacares.org. Okay, YouTube family, we are back with program number 4, Operation Homefront. This is another program that assists veterans in their housing needs. They offer several housing programs for veterans, which include permanent homes for veterans, transitional homes for veterans, transitional housing apartments, and transitional housing villages. So they have several housing options for assisting veterans in their housing needs. Again, this organization is called Operation Homefront.org. So again, this is another helpful program to assist veterans with their housing. All right, YouTube family, we are at number 5, program number 5, the Supportive Services for Veteran Families, also known as the SSVF. Now, for very low income veterans, the SSVF provides case management and supportive services to prevent imminent loss of a veteran's home or identify a new, more suitable housing situation for the individual or his or her family. So again, this program can be accessed and more information can be found on va.gov, but this is more like a short-term financial aid for rent, security deposits, utilities, and moving. So this program, the SSVF, would be for some more of a short-term fix to assist the veteran. So again, to find more information about this program, go to va.gov. And again, it is Supportive Services for Veteran Families, another program that can assist veterans with their housing needs. There you have it, YouTube family. I hope you found this information helpful. I just shared with you 5 organizations that will help veterans financially with their housing. So again, this is ALFATIR CRAWFORD with Finance Up. Thanks for the continued support. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. And until the next video, you guys take care, and I will talk to you soon, and goodbye for now.